Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you recover deleted messages on Instagram, so let's jump right into it. First, open your Play Store or App Store to make sure the Instagram app is updated for everything to work properly and run smoothly in this process. After that, go ahead and open Instagram of course, and you have to be logged into your account. From here, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then from here, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to go to your settings. Now from settings, choose your activity. In your activity, scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on download your information. You'll be taken to this page, tap on download or transfer information and then choose some of your information because we only need messages. So from this list, scroll down until you find messages, tap on it and then tap on next in the bottom. From here, choose one of these options and tap on next. And set up these settings and options and tap on create file. It will take Facebook or Meta sometimes to create your file for you. Once you open that file, you'll find your messages and deleted messages there as well. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.